Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. And I've been shopping, and this time while on vacation in Oceanside, California, I went to Hobby Lobby. I've only been to Hobby Lobby one time, and that was in another city. And this store in Oceanside, California is a superstore. It is huge. It has 3 giant rooms. I couldn't even get through all of it. And then back home, I went into my local Dollar Tree store and Walmart. Okay, let's get started. This is Minnie Mouse dressed in fall decor. And I couldn't resist this because I am a huge fan of Disneyland. I used to live near there and we went all the time. We had an annual pass, which many people in California did. And we were there all the time. It was like our vacation. We didn't go anywhere else. And so they not only had this doll, but they had Mickey and Minnie scarecrow dolls that you could use outside or even inside your home. But I couldn't resist one. I couldn't find Mickey, and this was the only Minnie Mouse that was left, and so I scooped it up. They have a lot, and I mean a lot, of holiday towels. I just was in love with all of their fall decor because that's my favorite season of the year. And what's nice about this towel is it's a 2-sided towel. In other words, the other side looks just like the other side. So you could, if you wanted to, cut it in half and make 2 decorative towels out of one. Now here's another one that has this embroidered all over the front. Now this is just a 1-sided towel. It's plain on the back, but you still could cut this one in half and use the back side for another fall holiday towel, especially if you have an embroidery machine. You could stitch out something very similar to this. Now, they don't have a lot of fabric in Hobby Lobby, nowhere near the amount that Joann Fabrics and Crafts does, but they have a nice little selection of a variety of seasons on it and types. And this one, I fell in love with it the moment I saw it. And what I'm going to do with this piece out of mine is I'm going to make a basket liner. And I have a lot of basket liner tutorials. So if you want to know how to make a basket liner, there will be a link below your YouTube screen. And by the way, if I didn't tell you before, on the towels, I have links to my decorative towels also. So you can pick one that you like and apply it to those towels. Now, Hobby Lobby only sells 1-yard pieces. That's their minimum. You can buy more, but you can't buy less than a yard. Isn't this basket gorgeous? Now, I love orange. I love anything fall, anything orange, or kind of burnt anything. I just think it's the coolest thing. Now, they had these baskets in multiple sizes. This isn't the largest one. I had to pull my hand back a little bit to not buy the big one. So I decided on this size it was more appropriate for me. And what I'm going to do with this is that I have some Halloween fabric, and I'm going to make a basket liner for this. And then with that other fabric I just showed you, I'm going to make like a basket out of a basket liner for this to put bread or other sweet products inside of it. So again, if you're interested in how to make a basket liner, scroll down below your YouTube screen to the description section. I love anything that smells like fall, especially the smell of pumpkin. Now, my mother loved pumpkin pie as well as my father did. My brother liked pumpkin pie. I don't, but I love the smell of pumpkin spice especially. Now this scent is called buttery pumpkin. Okay, once I got back home, reality set in, and so I went to my local stores to finish up looking for Halloween decor. And I'm in the process of making a rag wreath that's different than the other rag wreaths that I've made. And I'm going to use one of these in the center of the rag wreath. Now, Dollar Tree didn't have a lot of Halloween items out yet. They had some, but they'd had a big run on it a few days before I got there, and they just about got wiped out. So that's why it's really important when you're going to go shopping for any holiday decor, get there way ahead of time because you may fall short. Now, here's a few other things. It really doesn't have a lot to do with sewing. I love notepads. I use them all the time. They're right next to my computer. And I also use these little pencil holders, not just for pencils, but markers, little pointy things, other sticks, just any items, even in my bathroom to put stuff in there. And one last item that I got at Dollar Tree is this little star. And I'm probably going to make some kind of star Christmas wreath out of this. Now, most of your items in Dollar Tree are $1.29, but they're also starting to put more expensive items in there. And this was a $5 item. Now, I'm going to be putting it outside. I don't know how well this is going to hold up in the weather or in the wind. We'll find out. But it was only $5, and I can always redecorate it for another season if it starts to fall apart. Now, my last trip was I also stopped at my local Walmart, and I picked up a few things there. They don't have a lot of sewing supplies, but in a pinch, it gets me out of trouble. I got this metallic 1-inch wide rickrack, 2 different sizes of ribbon, an orange and a black because I'm going to be hopefully using it in a Halloween wreath, some bias tape that's green, a new pair of small scissors. I wear these out so fast and my other ones were not very sharp. And then I picked up 1/2-inch wide double fold bias tape, and then these little jewels I bought. I'm going to be probably putting it on a table runner. We'll see how it works out, and I'll try to show you how I apply these. Well, I hope you enjoyed this shopping haul as much as I did doing the shopping. My husband was also a big help with me. He always is. And I can't wait to get back to the Hobby Lobby again. Now, I did find out that in a major city somewhat near me, it's about an hour and a half to hour and 45 minutes away, there is a Hobby Lobby, but I don't know quite how big it is, but I think I'll go to their website and try to check it out. Now, if you're interested in beginners sewing tutorials, I will have many links listed below. Some of them pertain to some of the things I was talking about here. So you scroll down to the description section till you see the word more. Click on that, it will expand open and you will see a variety of links. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and make sure you check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.